Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jhadeshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and this is class 7th maths and our new chapter's name is simple equation. This is your chapter number 5. This is your chapter number 4 and the name of the chapter is simple equation. Okay, in our previous chapter we have learned about variable, constant, coefficient. Learn? Okay, you know what is variable, constant and the coefficient. Okay, now what is variable? A word variable means something that can vary, that is change. A variable take a different numerical value, its value is not fixed. Variable are denote usually by letter of alphabet XYZ, ABC, LMN and so on. Okay, from variable we form expression. The expression are formed by performing operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Understand? And we know what about terms. What is constant? Constant have a fixed value. Okay, and what about coefficient? Means if variable having some number in multiplication, then it is called coefficient of the number. Okay, now we have talked about simple equation. What is equation? An equation is a statement equating two expression with one or more variable. Understand? Students, if you go to market and you buy something that's price is 10 rupees, so you give the shopkeeper 10 rupees or 15 rupees. You give 10 rupees. What you do? You do balance. Means if the cost of pen is 10, then you give the shopkeeper only 10 rupees, not 15 rupees, not 12 rupees, not more than that or not less than that. Understand? So what you do? You have to equate. Means you have to balance both the sides. Whatever you buy, whatever you want to buy, you give the same money, then you take it and use it. Okay, so it is the equation, and this type of equation, this is called equation. Equation means you have equate two things. You have equate two things is called equation. Understand? Okay, and if we talk about simple equation, that means 4x plus 5 is equal to 65. This is called simple equation. Simple equation means its variable is 1. Variable's power is 1 and it's called simple equation. Solution of the equation will give us the number which Sarah held in her mind. Means 4x is equal to 65 minus 5 and 4x is equal to, that is 60, x is equal to 60 upon 4. Understand? These are called simple equation. Okay, the solution of this equation will give us the number Balu had throw off. Means these are different type of equation, and the solution of this equation are which you have to find. Okay, now we know that what is variable. The word variable means something that can vary or change. A variable take a different numerical value in different condition. Its value is not fixed. Variable are denoted usually by letter of the alphabet such as X, Y, Z, L, M, P, A, B, C and so on. Okay. We form expression. The expression are formed by performing operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the variable. We learn it about in our previous chapter, that is algebraic expression. Understand? Now, what do you mean by equation? I told you what is equation. If two sides are equal, that is called equal. If the equal to sign is there, if equal to sign is there, then it is called equation. And if the equal to sign is there, an equation is condition on a variable. Okay, means LHS is equal to RHS. See, if I talk about equation, then इट इज़ हैविंग इक्वल टू का साइन होगा और उसमें दो पोर्शन होंगे, LHS एंड RHS। मीन्स अगर आप मार्केट जाते हो तो शॉपकीपर को आपको कुछ देना पड़ेगा, जितने का सामान होगा वो पैसे देने पड़ेंगे, तब आपको वो सामान मिलेगा। इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू बाय अ थिंग देन यू हैव टू give money to shopkeeper, then you take the things those you have want. Understand? So LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. Both the side if is equal, then it is called equation, means it is called. And see, this is a very important thing because it is very useful in your daily life. You are going to market, and if you want anything and in your home, if you are two brother and sister and you have two different kind of things, then आप लोगों में भी झगड़ा होता होगा कि नहीं, मुझे अगर ये दोगे तो मैं आपको ये दूंगा। इट्स अ बैलेंसिंग, इट्स कॉल्ड बैलेंसिंग, एंड इन मैथमेटिकल टर्म्स इट्स कॉल्ड इक्वेशन। मीन्स you have to balance both the side. LHS is equal to RHS. Understand? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, now we have talk about this is called equation. In short, an equation is a condition on a variable. The condition is that two expressions should have equal value. Note that at least one of the two expression must contain the variable. They have variable also. If we talk about equation, then if that have variable also. What is variable? That is unknown. We don't know what is the value. If you are going to market and you don't know what is the price of chocolate and what is the price of pen, that is unknown. Okay, you don't know what is the price of that. The unknown is called variable. We take variable as a unknown. Understand? So we take unknown as a variable, and variable is x, y, z, a, b, c and so on. Understand? Now if we talk about how to write an equation, write the statement in the form of equation. If there is a some statement are given, then how to write the equation? The sum of 3 times x and 11. See here, times, if there is times, okay, then you have to multiply 3 times. Times means you have multiplied the both the terms. Means the sum of 3 times x and 11. And what do you mean by sum? Sum means plus. Okay, so you have write the sum of 3x. The 3 times x means 3x. Okay, sum of 3x and 11, that is 3x plus 11. The sum is 32, means 3x plus 11 is equal to 32 is your equation. Understand? 3x plus 11 is equal to 32 is your equation. Okay, now our second thing is, if you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, you get 7. If you subtract 5 times 5 from 6 times a number, 6 times a number means if we take, let the number will be z, then that is 6z, and 6z minus 5 is equal to 7. Understand? This type you have to write the equation. Okay, this type you have write to equation. So in short, equation is statement equating two expression with one or more variable. It is called equation. Okay, now we have, if the question is this type, see here, we take 1/4 of m. See, if there is times, then it will be multiplied, and it's, if 1/4, 1/5, what is you doing? It's divide. Okay, so see, 1/4 of m means m by 4, means m divided by 4, okay, is greater than 7 by 3. So your equation is m by 4 minus 7 is equal to 3. Understand? This type you have to do all the question. Now how to make the equation? If the equation is given, then how to make a statement? X minus 5 is equal to 9. Means taking away 5 from x gives 9. Okay, or you can write that subtract 5 from a number to get 9. Okay, this type you have to write. 5p is equal to 20. So 5 times p is 20. Understand? This type you have to write the equation. Understand? Now, if we talk about, consider the following situation. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Raju's father is 44-year-old. And what is two condition here? Two condition is given. First is Raju's father age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Means whatever the Raju's age here, Raju's father age is 3 times and 5 more than. And if his age is 44. Okay. So take the Raju's age will be y. So father's age will be 3y plus 5 and his age is 44. So your equation is 3y plus 5 is equal to 44. Okay. So this chapter is all about in your daily life situations. Okay. Now we can do this question. First of all, before we start exercise 4.1, I will show you something.
In the previous video, we have seen how algebra makes our life very easy. It helps us write long phrases in a very short way using variables. That's the beauty of algebra. How do we write the sum of 3 and 7 using numbers? We just write it as 3 plus 7. Let me modify the question a bit. How do we write the sum of a number and 7? Since this number is unknown, we use a variable in its place and write it as x plus 7. Both these are called expressions. As this involves only numbers, it's called a numerical expression. And because it involves variables, it's called an algebraic expression. Now look at this line. Sum of a number and 7 equals 12. Now it gets interesting. Let's break it into parts. Sum of a number and 7. It can be written as x plus 7 equals 12 can be written as equal to 12. We wrote this phrase as x plus 7 equals 12. Is this an expression? No, that's not the case. This is called an equation since it has an equal to sign. It's called so because we are equating two sides, the left hand side and the right hand side. What are the different parts of an equation? This is called the variable, that is, we are expected to find. And these two numbers are called constants as their value remains constant. There are also operators like addition and subtraction. So these are the important parts of an equation. Remember, the equal to sign divides the equation into two sides, the left hand side and the right hand side.
I think you all are understand how to make an equation and how to make a statement. Okay, if equation is given, then you have to write statement, and if statement is given, and then you have to write equation. Okay, now today's is we finish here. Okay, have a good day.